Blue seas, golden sunsets, and adventures waiting just beneath the waves. Welcome to Greece. Today, we're island hopping through some of the most breathtaking Greek islands and diving, literally, into the best water activities you can enjoy on each one. Grab your snorkels, this is going to be fun. Number 1, Ikaria. Ikaria is one of the middle islands of the northern Aegean. Ikaria isn't your typical Greek holiday destination with flashy resorts and packed beaches. Here, it's about connection, with nature, with people, and with yourself. The coastline is a mix of hidden coves, long sandy stretches, and rugged cliffs, while inland you'll find sleepy mountain villages, thermal springs, and hiking trails that lead to stunning views. And then there's the food, fresh fish, homemade wine, and organic vegetables straight from the garden. Now, let's talk about what you can actually do in Ikaria. Beach hopping first, the beaches. You have to check out Seychelles Beach. It's this little slice of paradise with turquoise water and smooth marble pebbles. You either take a boat or do a short hike to get there, but trust me, that first glimpse of the water will blow you away. Then there's Nas Beach, where a river meets the sea right next to the ruins of an ancient temple. And if you're into natural wellness, head over to Therma Village. The hot mineral springs here are famous for their healing properties. Locals swear they help with everything from arthritis, skin conditions, to overall relaxation. The water is so clear you'll feel like you're swimming in an aquarium. Or, if you're feeling a little adventurous, try stand-up paddleboarding at sunrise. You can even rent a kayak and paddle your way to hidden coves, just you, the sea, and maybe a curious seagull or two. If you're a hiker, Ikaria has some gorgeous trails. The Halari Gorge is lush and green, dotted with little waterfalls, and if you head up into the mountains, you'll stumble upon old monasteries with jaw-dropping views over the island. Of course, you can't leave Ikaria without tasting its famous wine. Drop by a local winery and you'll probably end up chatting with the owner over a glass of their rich, sweet red. You can't miss the local festival Panegyria. These all-day and all-night village festivals are a mix of live music, traditional dance, endless food, and free-flowing wine. The most famous ones happen in July and August. Also the exciting part, the Ikaria Surf School, beginner to advanced surf lessons, from your first wave to carving small swells under guidance of experienced instructors. SUP lessons and rentals, glide over clear, calm waters with easy balance and gentle instruction. Special packages and camps. Surf and stay offers, bundles pairing surf sessions with local lodging. Surf camps, video says they'll run themed camps, from surfing only to surf and yoga retreats and even a BJJ and surf camp in June, plus Billabong girls camps in June and September. Visit Ikaria. Interesting facts, Ikaria Surf School emphasizes sustainability and offers affordable, safe, and environmentally conscious programming. Number 2, Corfu. Welcome to Corfu, or as the locals call it, Kerkera, the greenest island off Greece's northwest coast in the Ionian Sea. Imagine a place where cypress-covered hills roll down to turquoise coves, pastel-colored villages peek out from olive groves, and every meal tastes like it was made by your Greek grandmother. Corfu isn't just a beach escape, it's a cultural cocktail, shaken with Greek, Italian, French, and British influences. If you're a history buff, you'll love wandering its UNESCO-listed old town, a maze of cobblestone streets, Venetian mansions, and tiny cafes that spill out onto the squares. First up, if you're into thrills, you're jet skiing across that perfect blue water, the wind's in your hair, and you've got the island's cliffs as your backdrop. Or go parasailing to get a breathtaking view. Paleokastritsa is like something straight out of a fantasy movie. Grab a kayak, paddle past these jaw-dropping cliffs, and peek into secret sea caves. If you're lucky, you might even spot a monk seal waving at you. For something a little slower, throw on a mask and snorkel at Agios Gordios. The water's so clear you can see fish darting around like little jewels. And if you've got a day to spare, hop on a boat to Paxos and Antipaxos. History buffs, you're going to love the old fortress and new fortress in Corfu town. Climb to the top, and you'll get views that'll make your Instagram jealous. Then just wander through Liston Promenade. It's this beautiful French-built arcade lined with cafes, so you can sit, sip your coffee, and people watch for hours. Corfu offers a wide array of water sports activities. First, boat rentals, no license required, ideal for romantic escapes, family fun, or solo beach hopping adventures. Second, water skiing and wakeboarding, feel the thrill as you carve the waves. Prices start at around €40 for a 15-minute session. Third, SUP and sea kayak rentals/tours, rentals from around €20 per hour, ideal for solo explorers or guided small group tours to hidden coves. Fourth, inflatable fun, crazy sofa, ring rides, banana boats, hold on tight and enjoy a splashy, laughter-fueled ride over gentle waves. Number 3, Santorini. Welcome to Santorini, the crown jewel of the Aegean Sea, where every corner feels like it's been painted for a postcard. Imagine standing on the edge of a cliff, looking out over an endless blue sea, with whitewashed houses cascading down like sugar cubes, and then the sky bursts into fiery reds and purples at sunset. Santorini is actually a group of islands: Thera, Theracia, Nea Kameni, Pelaya Kameni, and Aspernici, created by one of the largest volcanic eruptions in recorded history around 1600 BC. First up, the beaches here are something else. Red Beach, surreal red cliffs meet bright blue waters. Perfect for photos and snorkeling. Parisa and Perivolos, long stretches of black volcanic sand, lined with beach bars and water sports centers. White Beach, accessible mostly by boat, with bright white cliffs that glow in the sun. Next go scuba diving with Stay Wet Diving Center, explore underwater volcanic formations, sea caves, and rich marine life. Try jet ski tours from Perivolos Beach, racing along the coastline with stops at secret coves. Enjoy a luxury catamaran cruise around the caldera with swimming, snorkeling, and a barbecue on board. One thing you can't skip in Santorini is a wine tour. The island's famous Acertico wine is unlike anything you've tasted, crisp, refreshing, and with this subtle mineral edge that comes from growing in volcanic soil. And while you're sipping, don't forget to eat like a local. Order tomato keftids, golden, crispy tomato fritters bursting with fresh herbs, and fava, a silky smooth split pea puree drizzled with olive oil. There's this hike from Fira to Oia that's about 10 kilometers, the caldera is on one side, the deep blue Aegean on the other, and along the way you pass little white chapels and wildflowers. There is something more interesting at Festia Festival, August, a breathtaking celebration of Santorini's volcanic past with fireworks over the caldera, simulating the eruption, paired with music and dancing. Number 4, Alonissos. If you've been dreaming of a Greek island where you can escape the crowds, breathe in pure sea air, and swim in waters so clear they look unreal, welcome to Alonissos. This hidden gem is part of the Sporades Islands, and while its neighbors Skiathos and Skopelos often steal the spotlight, Alonissos is where nature truly takes center stage. This island is a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers. It's home to the National Marine Park of Alonissos and Northern Sporades, the largest marine protected area in Europe, and is a safe haven for the endangered Mediterranean monk seal. Explore crystal-clear waters, shipwrecks, underwater caves, and reefs teeming with marine life. The visibility here can reach up to 40 meters, making it a dream for divers and underwater photographers. Next, kayaking around the coastline, paddle past hidden coves, secret sea caves, and uninhabited islets where you can stop for a private swim. Exploring Kora, perched high on a hill with panoramic views of the Aegean, Kora is like stepping back in time. Every corner reveals something beautiful: whitewashed houses with brightly painted shutters, cascading bougainvillea spilling over balconies, and tiny chapels tucked between homes. You'll hear the clink of coffee cups from family-run cafes and smell the irresistible scent of freshly baked bread drifting from a local bakery. The island is known for sustainable tourism, so you'll find nature walks, herbal tours, and even workshops on traditional fishing methods. Number 5, Kefalonia. Kefalonia, the largest of the Ionian Islands, is pure magic. Imagine towering limestone cliffs, beaches so blue they look photoshopped, mysterious underground lakes, and villages straight out of a storybook. Kefalonia is known for its dramatic landscapes, rugged mountains, pine-covered hills, and coastlines where golden sands meet electric blue waters. Unlike the more tourist-packed Greek islands, Kefalonia feels relaxed, authentic, and wonderfully diverse. You can go from sunbathing on a secluded beach to hiking in a lush national park in the same day. First up, Myrtos Beach. This is the Kefalonia postcard shot: white pebbles, towering cliffs, and water so blue you'll keep checking if it's real. Then there's Antisamos Beach, where the water is so clear you'll see fish swimming around your ankles. It's perfect for snorkeling or grabbing a paddleboard and exploring the coves. And here's a quirky one: She Beach. The sand is a reddish-brown color, and locals use the natural clay here for DIY spa masks. Grab a kayak in Pescardo or Assos and paddle to hidden beaches you can only reach by water. Oh, and you have to visit Melisani Cave. It's an underground lake that literally glows blue when the sun hits it just right. When you're ready for something on land, head up to Mount Anos National Park. It's the only mountain in Greece covered with Kefalonian fir trees, and if you're lucky, you might spot wild horses. Now, what water sports can you enjoy here? The Kefalonia Watersports. The Kefalonia Watersports Center is backed by a team of fully certified and experienced professionals prioritizing both excitement and safety. First, jet skiing. Feel the wind and salt spray as you race across the Aegean. Second, tubes and slider. Simple, zippy fun sliding across the sea surface. Third, crazy UFO, sofa. Hold tight, it's wild fun. Fourth, wakeboarding. Glide, jump, and feel unstoppable. Fifth, SUP and stand-up paddleboarding. Slow, steady, and soul-soothing. Number 6, Rhodes. Rhodes, where the past meets paradise. Known as the Island of the Sun, Rhodes is the largest of the Dodecanese Islands and has over 300 days of sunshine a year. It's a place where you can stroll through medieval cobblestone streets in the morning, sunbathe on golden beaches by noon, and windsurf in the evening while the sun melts into the horizon. Its old town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a labyrinth of stone alleys, towering gates, and hidden courtyards that feel like you've stepped straight into the Middle Ages. First up, history lovers, you're in for a treat. Step inside Rhodes' old town, and it's like someone hit pause on the 14th century. You walk through these massive stone gates, I'm talking Game of Thrones vibes, and suddenly you're on the Street of the Knights, where the actual Knights Hospitaller used to live. And don't skip the Palace of the Grand Master. Now, if you want a mix of history and a jaw-dropping view, head to the Acropolis of Lindos. Picture this: ancient ruins perched high above a turquoise base shaped like a horseshoe. For beach lovers, go to Tsambika Beach's pure golden sand, shallow waters, ideal for swimming and chilling. If you're more about snorkeling and quiet coves, check out Anthony Quinn Bay, and if you want a little more buzz, bars, music, people watching, Valaraki Beach is your spot. Now here's something more interesting and exciting, the kind of adventure that will definitely make you pack your bags for Rhodes. I'm talking about Tsambika Watersports. Right on Tsambika Beach, one of Rhodes' longest, most beautiful stretches of sand, Tsambika Watersports offers you some amazing things to do. First, jet skiing, pure adrenaline, sea spray bliss. Second, parasailing, soar high in the sky and views you'll never forget. Third, banana boat rides, grab your friends, hold on tight, and laugh until you can't breathe. Fourth, crazy sofa, sit, grip, and scream loudly. Fifth, water skiing and wakeboarding, balance, speed, and total fun. Sixth, paddleboarding and kayaking, peaceful paddles under sunny skies. Number 7, Samos. Samos isn't just another pretty Greek island, it's a living blend of ancient legends, rich history, and nature so lush you'd swear the gods themselves designed it. Sitting just a stone's throw from Turkey, this island offers a mix of mountainous beauty, sparkling seas, and a culture that's been refined over thousands of years. From the white sand beaches of Silai Amos to the pine-covered slopes of Mount Kirkis, Samos is perfect if you want both mountain hikes and lazy swims in a single trip. You can explore ancient ruins, Heraeon of Samos, a UNESCO World Heritage Site dedicated to the goddess Hera. The temple's massive columns, some still standing, will make you feel tiny and awestruck. Tunnel of Eupolinos, a 2,500-year-old engineering marvel. This aqueduct was dug from both ends of a mountain, and somehow met perfectly in the middle without modern tools. Okay, let's talk beaches. Silai Amos has soft sand and shallow water, perfect for lazy swims or splashing around. Then you've got Samodo Beach, crystal clear, great for snorkeling, and it's got that hidden paradise vibe. Samos is famous for its sweet muscat wine, and you have to try it straight from the source. Pop into a local winery in Vathi or Karlavasi, and yes, tasting counts as cultural research. For food, find a harbor taverna in Kokkari and order grilled octopus, fried calamari, or shrimp saganaki. So there you have it, 7 stunning Greek islands, each with its own charm, stories, and plenty of ways to get your adrenaline pumping in the water. Whether you're chasing history, myths, sunsets, or just that perfect dive, Greece has it all. Which one's going on your bucket list first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your travel squad, and I'll see you in the next adventure.